shit, bro.
Leave it, get down there.
Where are they at? Hey, bro. You know when I hit that dirt fadeaway?
No. You wanna go punch the TV?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Shotgun!
Bruh.
Somebody should have told me it would be like this, be like this, be like this. Somebody should have told me it would be like this. Yeah, life is a balance.